Time complexity of linear search is big O of n, guys, because big O is a notation used to represent the time complexity. How much time does it require to execute the linear search algorithm? That is time complexity of linear search. That is big O of n. So n represents the number of elements in the list. If suppose a list is consist of 1,000 elements, if we want to visit every element inside the list, we will it will take up to 1 second. That means we need to visit the 1,000 elements. We require 1,000 elements, right? So that in time complexity there are three types of cases. First one is the best case, and second one is worst case, and third one is average case. So first case, best case. So when searching element is there at the first position, we no need to iterate over entire array. So 1 second కే మనకి ఎలిమెంట్ అనేది ఫౌండ్ అయింది కాబట్టి బెస్ట్ కేస్ అవుతుంది. వర్స్ట్ కేస్ ఎప్పుడు అవుతుందంటే ఆ ఎలిమెంట్ అనేది సెర్చ్ చేయాలనుకున్న ఎలిమెంట్ అనేది లాస్ట్ పొజిషన్ లో ఉంటే వీ నీడ్ టు ఇటరేట్ ఓవర్ ఎంటైర్ అరే టు రీచ్ దట్ ఎలిమెంట్, టు find that element. That is the worst case. And if the element is there at the middle position of the array, then it is the average case, guys. So it requires some amount of time to execute the linear search algorithm. So that's why it is a are not efficient than the binary search algorithm. And space complexity of linear search is the big O of 1, guys, because it doesn't require any extra space to store the elements, guys. We are here already there is consumed by the list elements, so we are taking only one input element, that is searching element. So we need only one space. We don't require any extra space. That's why the space complexity of linear search is big O of 1, guys. Thank you, and please subscribe to our channel and share this video to your family and friends who are interested to learn DSA in Python, guys. సో ఇంకా ఫ్యూచర్లో కూడా మన ఛానల్లో అన్నీ కూడా డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్స్ అండ్ ఆల్గరిథమ్స్ యొక్క వీడియోస్ వస్తాయి, గైస్. సో మీకు ఇంకా నేర్చుకోవాలనిపిస్తే మన ఛానల్ని ఫాలో అవ్వండి, గైస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.